So CD into downloads. CD into downloads. Now I got my, okay, it's only one that is running. Okay, let me start this. So the Ansible machine, like being the controller machine, yeah, we'll have to SSH into that using your key pair Ubuntu at. This the other one, so which is the target machine. That's the web one. This will also SSH into it. So while we use the same key, Ubuntu. Yeah, permission denied. Public key. Well, let me remove this version because I did the practical earlier, so it won't be useful again. Let me just create a new machine. And let me just use the DB machine. Yeah. Let me start this. Let me rename it.
Any machine that we're not using, can we delete it?
Yeah, sure. Do you have a machine? Are you like you're following along? Yeah.
No, not right now. I mean, the ones I've used in the past.
Yeah, please. Every one of them. It will incur costs if you don't delete them. You will end up
Okay,
paying
now,
money. Yeah. See, any machine. I'll also show you some other things, other services. So from AWS that might involve you paying money and you won't know that it's actually running. Show you. Let me just use this. Oh, I didn't use the same key for this. Let me check. Does it have a key pair? No, it has no key pair, so it's useless. Let me launch a new instance. The other web one, I can't use it because uh, I checked what we had to do earlier today. Then we checked again. So I can only access it. I had linked it to the master. I've linked it to the master machine. connected this. Okay. SSH. Okay. So like this now. So now, the whole idea behind what we are to do basically, so make sure that the control machine can actually speak to the target machine. And that is the whole thing with Ansible. You configure a machine remotely and you send a configuration message. In our case, we are trying to like set up an Apache HTTP server. So we we got stuck while we were trying to do that. So uh, inside here we have a file. Let me remove this skip here. I don't need it as such. So I have this file. If I cut this file, like the inventory, oh God. So I have web server, I have like the IP address of that. Now what I did was to just uh because the whole idea is to like try and SSH into this other machine. So what I did was to like generate what is known as keygen. Yeah. So I'm going to generate a new fresh, that's SSH key inside this control machine. It's like generating public key, enter the file. I want to keep it there. So it will ask me to overwrite what I had. Yes, I already generated one before. I don't have to. So I clear this. So how do you locate where this your public key is? You just do ls-la. If you remember our Linux command, it's like this if you want to see it in file. So that's .ssh folder. So when you see the into .ssh folder, you get that out. So you have authorized key, IDRSA.public, non-host and everything. This ID underscore RSA is your private key. It stays in your own computer. So if I cut this, cat ID underscore RSA dot PUB. So it's going to like display this for me. That's like my public key here. So same thing here in the target machine. That's the Web2 machine that I'm going to. I'll do SSH keygen. No, SSH keygen. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. So I've seen it. I'll follow the same thing. Uh, ls -la. I have a folder known as that. So what do? I cut. Uh, no, I cd into that. Cd into SSH. So ls. So if I check the authorized file, yeah, I check the authorized keys here. So that's .gen. Hold on, please. Sorry, please. I'm trying to respond to something real quick. Uh, so if I do ls here, I have the same thing. I have the same thing with the instance name. So if I cut the public key, cut uh, is that the public key? Yeah. Uh, ID underscore ED 255 uh, 19 plus PUB. Why is this the stuff? Hold on, please. Let me check this instance. Well, one is not this one that I guess I search into. Okay. No, 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 don't stop this one. So I need this out. Let's stop. Bring this up. Error. It's still stopping. Just closed connection. Start it. Okay, back. So I think the IP address would have changed. So SSH. So SSH, I think keygen. So all right, that key. No? Yes, all right. And to yeah, play. So now VI cd dot SSH ls. So vim vi id underscore ed no id underscore ed 25519.pub. So escape, insert. Insert is I. So what I'm trying to do is I want to enter the public key of uh, my control machine into this target machine. So I'm going to clear this. How did I? VI is a text editor that you find in Linux system. So you're going to copy this. You're going to copy the key from the target machine. You paste here. Okay, so inside here to close this, you press escape colon WQ-I. So you clear that. Then you come to this machine CD back. So you go SSH. Now, another new update, I was using the the public IP. No, you don't use that, you use, so let's just confirm if this has gone through. SSH public IP address. Yes. No, it should not show permanent. It should not show permission denied. Yeah. Yeah. It's a different machine. Let me check this machine whether I didn't save cd.ssh ls cat id underscore ed25519.pub and saved there. So what is going on? Let me see the outs generating. Okay. SSH keygen. cd.ssh ls. Okay, let me check the authorized keys. Okay, let me escape. I here copy all of this. Okay, press I. Let me check the authorized folder. Yeah. Escape WQ-9. So we'll go ahead. Okay. Hey, let me check the IP address from this web too. This 54. How am I saying welcome to 242? I'm connected to this machine. Trying to get 172.3.1.94.42. Okay. Uh wait, hold up. Are you here? I think I'm the one. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah, I'm here.
so we've been able to connect to this machine. Uh this is the target, this is the control machine. You understand me? Then this is the target machine. You can see this IP address 172.3.1.94.42. So what happened was that we generated a key pair. We generated a key in this target machine here. Let me clear this. Let me see the back. So we generated in this target machine right here, this one with the IP, private IP 172.3.1.94.42 by entering SSH keygen. Oh, no, we're almost rounding up. So when I entered the SSH keygen, you understand me? I did the same here too. So if I exit like this, pay attention to this IP address. Can you see this private IP address? 172.3.1.94.42. It is for this machine. It is for the target machine, 171.3.1.94.42. The private IP address for this one is here. Look at it here. Instances. The one with the Ansible thing. This one is 172.3.1.391.30. It's different from here. So if I need to go back to this now, I'll exit this. So it said, okay, log out, connection to 172.3.1.94.42 is closed. You understand me? I just use that to as an experiment. Now, let's now go back to this our host file. vi host. Remember the file that is on this system. So I want to edit it with the right, okay, with the right IP address. So let me copy this IP address and paste here. Paste. So I'll close it, then press escape, -I. So that's that. Then I'll go ahead, enter this command here, Ansible -I host .in -m ping. So I enter this command, Ansible-I host .ini-m ping. No, no, I think I missed Ansible all. So I missed that as part of the command. Ansible all. Yeah, Ansible all. I reiterate over this host .in -m ping. Yes, I want to No, this can be true. This can be true, except, oh, I just generated a new key and I've not added it. When I was explaining, I just generated a new key because if I do SSH, that it will show deny too. But it's connected. So why is my host file having issues? Exit. My host file should not have issues. Yeah, because it's connecting if I use SSH, so the command too should work. So web server. Let me cut. Oh, one more. Web 2. Okay, I'm missing this thing. Oh, Christ. This should be the IP address I should put here. So escape WQ-I. So let me enter this command again. Yes. Okay. So now it's saying now like the mix-up happened as a result of me entering the IP address of the same machine. So if you look at the notes and you pay reference to it, say like success, Ansible discovered, blah blah blah, chain, ping pong, and that's like a success message. So like this expected results changed false ping pong is the same thing we got. And if it fails, ensure your SSH key has correct permission. Like we don't have to have issues because we've added it. Now, uh, we've finished the first aspect of this whole thing. And that's like, hold on, please. So we've been able to like connect to a target machine. Now, the next uh, the next thing to do now is to see how we can actually write our playbook to create what we need to like configure on our machine. And if you remember, I told us it's always in YAML format. So we'll go ahead to go and create a file name apache_setup.yaml. The one we've done so far, do you understand, sir?
Yes, but I got a little bit confused or lost. Maybe if I watch the video,
Around where?
will
Around where?
when we're trying to change the IP address and in the one of the steps when we're copying the IP address and pasted it in the other machine.
Yeah, like this, like this one with the green thing is actually the target machine. Why, sorry, is the control machine. Why the other one here is the target machine. So we copy the public IP address of this target machine and put in this file, this host.in file. So that's what happened. So let me stop it. So that's what we actually copy. If you look through this by doing cat, dot you can see this IP address, this 54226.37.84. is what you've
Yes.
got here. 5422637.84, and it is for our target machine. It's for our target machine. For this, look at this IP 172.319.442. 172.319.442. That's for our target machine. Let me go ahead, create for the second half of this section.
Yeah, 7W.
Sir?
Sorry, not you.
Okay.
Sorry, coach.
Okay, sir. It's, I will send you the link.
Yeah, so I was looking at the time as well.
Yes, yes. So let me return to this stop. And